Hey guys, this is Chris, Thunderbird Drone Festival. We are here at what we're calling the Industrial Building. We're setting up some tests for our FPV races. We're really excited about this. We got some fantastic guys from Oklahoma City, Tulsa, and Wichita that are here this morning helping us test this out. This is the building we're going to be in for the races, for the expo and the seminar. We are pumped for the festival. Thunderbird Drone Festival right here in Woodward, Oklahoma, August 13th and 14th. Hope to see you there.